Hello, I'm Xiaoting and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my DIY process of making this year's darts using air dry clay. Air dry clay is clay that doesn't require baking to harden, so it's really convenient to use for art projects. Take a small section of clay and roll it until it's flat using a rolling pin or any cylindrical objects. Cut out your desired shapes. Use sandpaper to sand off uneven parts and smooth out the surfaces. Acrylic paint works the best with clay projects. I painted all of them white first to get an even and clean base. I went with dark red paint to create the classic wax seal look. I added gold paint on the letters to make them stand out a bit more. I was inspired by Mount Fuji for this pair. I used a few shades of blue and left the top white to create the snow-capped mountain look. I also added silver paint to create more layers. For the last pair, I mainly used grey and gold to create a misty moon effect. Once they are dry, seal the paint with a few coats of Mod Podge for a glossy finish. And finally, for the last step, glue the earring post on the back of the studs with E6000 glue. And we're finally done. Here are the final products. This DIY took quite a few days to complete, but I really love how the earrings turned out. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and as always, subscribe and leave a comment to let me know if you try this project out for yourself. See you in the next video.